Well, here's the snowstorm. It's coming down good. I already cleaned the car off once, but I'm not going anywhere. I got to do my deck every 2 hours. If not, you can't get the door open. So anyway, we'll stroll down here for a minute. The steps are all covered in. There's your winter wonderland, people. My neighbors are home. Yeah, she's coming down pretty good. Look at that big tree. Isn't that neat? There's the raccoon deck. Be no raccoons tonight. There was a lot last night. They were really filling up. They sense this stuff. Now, there may be deer come up looking for apples after. So I'll keep an eye out for them. So I just toss the apples out the bedroom window. They'll just dig them out and eat them. So, that's it. Oh, man. It's coming down good. So, this is me, the Boston Bruins. So, my mouth is still a little bit sore, but it's coming around all right. I guess we'll go see how Connor's doing. He didn't try to get out yet. So, there. My nail girl was already here. Do you want to go out? Do you want to go out? Do you? Do you want to go out? You want to go outside? Look. 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 See? See what it looks like? He says, I ain't going out there. He ate some ham for breakfast, didn't ya? Yes, you did. You had some ham. Oh. Now I gotta get out of these. My clothes are all wet that quick. We'll go see Charlotte. Charlotte's in her little nook in here. Here's Charlotte. This is where she sleeps all day. What are you doing up there? What are you doing? What? Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy, Connor? Are you? Connor cat. Are you a Connor cat? Okay, we'll say goodnight. There'll be no raccoons tonight, people. There won't even be a track out there.